Grew up on the countryside of town.
Alright guys, so last week we voted on the shock body color and blue Cerakote won the vote. But I hit up the guy who did my Cerakote for my triple clamps, and he suggested against Cerakoting the shock body. So what I will do, but I won't do it right now. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and rebuild the suspension with the parts I have. But later on, after I finish the build and get a few hours on the bike, I'm just gonna go ahead and anodize the shock body and forks. I hope y'all aren't too upset about that. I had everybody vote, and I actually thought that it would be a good idea too. I didn't know that that's not I don't know. But this week's vote, we're gonna vote, and we're gonna actually do it this time. This week's vote is gonna be on hub color and rim color. The rims I had, both of the rims were cracked, so I'm gonna go ahead and get new rims, and the spokes were seized to the rims, the wheels, so we're gonna have to get new wheels and spokes. But I wanna keep the stock hubs. All I'm doing now is filing down the casting marks to make it look smooth and, you know, all that good stuff. What I want to go with is a polished hub, because I got this hub and I'm filing down the casting marks, and I'm going to sand it smooth and go for that polished look. This is what I want to do. So I want to go with a polished hub, silver spokes, red anodized nipples, and a silver XL rim. But I'm going to also give you two other options for you guys to vote on. We could also go with a blue Cerakoted hub, silver spokes, and silver nipples, and a black tusk wheel. Or we can go with a polished hub, silver spokes, black nipples, and a red SM Pro wheel. So either the black tusk wheel with the blue, or the red SM Pro with the silver, or the silver on red. But anyway, I have that up over here somewhere. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this suspension. I've never done this before, so I don't feel comfortable making this a how-to. All I'm going to do basically is change the springs and change the oil and change the bushings and seals. And what I'm about to do now, I'm about to clean the shock and the forks up, and then I'm going to go ahead and start building the forks. I still haven't gotten the spring in yet for the shock, and I won't be able to coat it, but I probably already explained that by now. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and clean it and get to it. Oh, shit. Oh, man, this shit is dirty. I don't think it's supposed to be that dirty. No wonder he was leaking. won't be using this spring anymore. I got some new factory connection springs, some .44. I actually don't know what spring these were. I'm gonna change it to something that I know for sure should fit my size. And I got some 7 weight for the forks and some 5 weight for the shock. Now I'm just gonna go ahead. I gotta go inside to use the heat gun. None of these outlets work in the shed. I gotta use the heat gun to remove these stickers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together after I clean up. I got those stickers off of the fork tube. Now it's time to start putting it back together with the new springs. Alright guys, I ran into a little hiccup. I couldn't get the fork tube to slide on right, and I was wondering why. This right here is a all balls bushing. And this right here, I don't know if this is the OEM bushing or not, but this is the bushing that was already on there. You see the difference? This all balls bushing has a bigger gap. I don't know if it's been stretched or what, but it doesn't fit very tight on the slider, and that makes it real hard for it to go back in. So I'm gonna go put the old ones back in. They aren't worn too bad. I'll probably have the suspension done professionally next time anyway. Probably after a few hours. Maybe like 20 hours on the bike. But yeah, I want to go ahead and get back to what I was doing. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to hear me well with all this damn rain, but I finally finished. It took me a little longer than I thought it would. I had to redo a few steps, but it wasn't that bad. I'm really digging the gold. I like the stock gold forks. I cleaned up the shock just a little bit. I haven't rebuilt it yet. I'll rebuild it tomorrow. My fork spring, not my fork spring, my shock spring was actually supposed to get here at the same time the fork springs got here. But for some reason, the Amazon buyer I bought them from decided to ship them separately, even though I bought them from the same person. Whatever. Anyway. Guys, remember to vote on the hubs. I probably put it in the video earlier, but also we're gonna have 2 polls in one video. We're also gonna vote on the brake calipers, because I'm gonna get them coated too, or maybe I shouldn't get them coated. Should I do blue Cerakote on the brake calipers or burnt bronze Cerakote? Blue Cerakote, burnt bronze Cerakote, black Cerakote, or should I just leave them stock in aluminum? Vote on this and vote on the wheels, and I'll see y'all next. Nope, wait. Yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Grew up on the countryside of town.
EMI cooking my nigga. Do it for the South, y'all know. Born and raised with them rubber flag, hang hung slave. Grew up where you niggas won't go.